The Sebastian Inlet State Park has a really nice boat ramp. From A1A, you're going to get off at the South Park entrance. The cost is $4 plus tax, and this is in addition to the entrance fee. If there's one person in your car, it's $4. If there's multiple persons, it's $8. You're going to follow the road once you get in there all the way to the very end. You're going to pass the campground on the left-hand side. You're going to notice the waterway, the inlet on the right side. Follow it all the way down. Keep going. It's, I think, like a 15-mile-an-hour speed limit, though. You have to be really careful because the campers are on the left and they cross over. They don't realize that this road is open 24 hours a day, and it leads to the boat ramp and the picnic area. They just think it's to their campground. On the right-hand side, before you get to the picnic area, they have a kayak launch. It's called non-motorized vehicles, and that's for kayaks and rafts and everything. There were people with their jet skis and their umbrellas and their picnics right on the little beach, and doing also some fishing there. Real nice area. Then we noticed as we circle around at the very end, there was all these pavilions set up for parties, picnics. It was like a shelter in covering. And they had the restrooms, and as you go around and circle back on, you could see that it was a little playground there for the kids. Everything like a state park to enjoy yourself with your family. And there were grills, picnic tables, and quite a few garbage facility and a lot of parking. We also noticed they had a really big restroom, and the bathrooms were so clean. As we pulled up and noticed the boat ramp, there's two long docks that you can walk on, and there's two boat ramps. They made it so easily to back your boat up. And when you pull your boat out, there's a lot of garbage containers to throw your garbage, trash containers, and there's also, which not many state parks have, They have a boat wash area only for boaters. So you can rinse and they have water in a hose. You can rinse your boat off and throw your trash away and rinse your trailer, which is really thoughtful, whoever thought of that. The nice part of it is that they have so much parking and trailer parking. You can just drive, you don't have to back it up. You can just drive through parking. And the view, unbelievable, breathtaking.